here's the update. I had to drop the mic gain. I can put the mic now close to my face. I scream. I'm a louder type of person. Anyway, so there's a lot of things that have been happening. A lot of things. Oh, yeah, that's good. We go to a hunting trip every year. Been doing this since 2010. We go on a pheasant hunting trip. Pheasant, quail, any sort of bird like that. Whether it's a quail, whether it's a pheasant, we can shoot both. We don't shoot the hens, though. It's not part of the law. We can't do that. But anyway, we go on this trip every year, and we just got back from it not too long ago. I got the film to edit it. Keep updated. Look at my, keep watching the channel. You'll see I'll update the descriptions. I'll describe what the video's about. This video is just to describe where I've been. The past couple of years have been hard for keeping up with the film, plugging it into my dongle for my laptop, and having files being corrupted, which I've had a couple good times, but I found some good ice fishing videos. I found some good videos from this last hunting trip, and I also have some from 2020, 2019. I think some from them, maybe a little bit of waterfowl, maybe, if I can find the right video. There's going to be a lot of trips taken this year. It's going to be fantastic. This is going to be a good year. I finally got the company going, and so yeah, stay tuned. Find your trail, pass your peak. I got some good video you're going to see here in the intro in about, I don't know, 5 seconds. Now.
Good puppy. Come on. He's to my left. I see him. Come on, Remy. Good puppy. Get him up. Find him. Find him. He's really birdie, Dad. Right here. So, hey, I'm gonna push up a little bit ahead of you so I have a shooting lane right here. Get him out of there! Get him out of there! Because I don't really have a straight shot, if I'm being honest. Kind of. John's kind of... Yeah. Hunt him up, Remy. Find him. Find him. I know. It's the first bird I've seen. You see that, Remy? They're here. Hey, head! Holy shit! Hey! Get out of there! That looked like a rooster. Yeah, that looked like a rooster. That was a rooster. Find him. Hey, Remy's birdie, Dad. Hey, this is where those birds got him. Come on, Remy, get him up. Oh my God. Hand. Hey, they're gonna get him right at the end. Hey, Remy. They're coming this way! Is that a rooster? A rooster! Rooster! No, this way. Good. Rooster! What? That was a rooster. Stay here. Remy, hunt him up. Nice! Remy, good. Hunt him up. Hunt him up. That's a rooster. Hunt him up. Hunt him up. Hunt him up. Hunt him up. And good. I think that was your dog. I didn't see her. I just saw the hen get up. She might have been. I was gonna say she was. Yeah, now she's in front of you. Remy, get him up. Hunt him up. Good. Okay. Okay. Hunt him up, Remy. Hi, Finn. Hi, Finn. And come on, this way. Oh, dead? The one he shot? There's a dead rooster out here somewhere. Where's it at? From what? Got him! Woo! Yeah. Good puppy. Good. Yeah, that one kind of got up weird. I hit it, yeah. It installed, it did something, and you guys just waylaid it.
Also, you're the one who shot first. Then.
Yeah.
Well, the thing is that thing was kind of jacked up. I wish I would have had one of those today, dude.
With the pheasant.
That pheasant was freaking, it seriously knocked my gun out of my hand. Not all the way, but I was like, what the fuck?
But like, it hits you like right should have caught it.
GoPro good. I know.
Hold up. What is it, Jinx? On that bird. Oh shoot. This is some thick. Hunt him up, Remy. 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 Oh. Remy, hunt him up. Find that bird. Find it. Yeah, I can't see either. I guess if it goes straight up. Wow. Well, that's good. Get him up, Remy. Get him up. Matthew's right here. Get him up. Remy. Find that bird. They're going out the end. Find a rooster, Remy. Hunt him up. Shit, they're getting out. Who is over there? Shit. Hey, they're getting up right there. On the other side of that pit, right there. One has to get up right here. There has to be it. Find me a bird, Remy. Hunt him up. Quail? I didn't want to take that. Hey, they're in here. They're right in here. Remy, get out of the water. Remy. 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 Come here. Come here. Get out of there. Come on. Hey, stay out of there. Good puppy. Come on. Here, you want to hold this one? I like it a lot. Had it for a long. I've used it every year. Since my dad got it for me. Yeah. For Christmas. Got me that, and I've been cleaning it, taking care of it. And it's just. I love what.
I did see a bunch of birds in front of Terry.
Hey, I found this. That's yours. You didn't take anything out? No, go ahead. I found it on the outside. It's not mine. No. So you see this right here with these weird.